Okay, so here I'm going to show you how I approach a fuel pocket on an Audi A5 here, or generally any car. First things first, I spray some soapy water around the rubber gasket, and then I get a metal spreader and I just carefully put it in underneath the rubber gasket.
Tag you. Huh? I'll have to tag you.
Dude, stick it in there. Look at that. It just goes right in, doesn't it?
I know, yeah.
Funny what a little lubrication does.
You have to have fun and work. He's a funny guy. Okay, yeah, he's kind of right. Bit of soapy water. Get under there, and then I just have these kind of like scrapers. Get them in there and pry them. Sometimes then you can get this out without damaging it. Just two little torques there, I'll take them off now. So there you go. Here's one tab. Here's the other tab. Flip it over. There's the other tab. And the other tab. So you can reuse this. Hope that helps some people.